Okay, I know that this is an old die, but I'm excited because it's new to me. I just finally ordered it. I just broke down and bought it. Now I'm going to use this. I would like them different sizes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave one the size it is, but I'm going to cut this one down. And this is what I figured I would do. I'm just going to cut it kind of short. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and glue it to the top of that. And it gives me a little bitty bird cage. And it still looks like the big one, so it looks like they're a matching set, but it'll be smaller. So let's see. So I'm just going to put a little glue. Can't find my tacky glue, so I'm using this one. I swear this one acts like it's hot glue. It leaves all those little webs. Okay, so maneuver this so that, I don't know if you can see that. Make sure that it's not catawampus. Okay, so see? So now I have the big one and a smaller one just by cutting it. And I want this one to be in between that size. And so let's see. Probably I'm gonna cut the top off. Again. And all the way off the screen. Okay, so I guess I want this one a little bit bigger, so I'm going to cut it about right here. Right there. So that makes it a little bit bigger than that one. I'm sorry, I'm working off. It is 2:02 in the morning. I've had Brandon all day today, and I didn't have a chance to craft much today. And I have to go to the funeral tomorrow. My husband's aunt passed away. Bless her heart. So there. So see, so now you have 3 cages, and they're all different sizes. How cute! Okay, so I cut 3 more of the cages, and I cut them in these pastel-y colors, and they came from this stack, the pearlescent paper pack by Best Occasions. I think I got this a few years back at Walmart. I just like it because it's real pearl. I'm gonna make the biggest one pink, of course, because I love pink, and then the others I'm just gonna choose the different colors. And I wish I could find my glue. Let's see. So unorganized this morning. Okay, I'm gonna use this 2-way glue. You see me? And I think what I'm going to cut off is this part down here. I'm cutting off the bottom. And I'm just going to line this on it as best as I can. Like that. And I'm going to whack these off right here. That. See, I think I'm going to interchange them. So move the pink one on this one. Right there. just like that. Right there. Isn't that cute? Ugh, all my hands. I hate that feeling. I'm in the process of moving my scrap room into what used to be my nail salon, and I'm gonna have tons and tons of room. Oh, I'm so excited. Just a matter of finding time to do that, and I will have internet in there, so I'll be able to maybe, hopefully, do more classes and maybe give you all a tour of my messiness. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to take the purple from this one and put on the pink. Right there. They look like Easter eggs, don't they? Edie, like Brendan would say. That's why he says pretty. He says Edie. Oh boy, I put him in bed with me so he can fall asleep, and Crystal's not liking that. Then when he goes home, he wants to get in the bed with her. So I guess you could say I'm spoiling him. But isn't that what grandparents are for? Oh, I can't pick this up. Okay. Tell you what I need in here is a sink. I can wash my hands. I have baby wipes that I use. Okay, so let me cut off all these. There you go. So now I have 3 Easter eggs. So cute. Oh, and I am going to distress them a little bit and put some what is that called? Make them shiny. Glossy accents on them, and maybe some glitter and stuff, and I'll be back when that's done, okay?